1, 2, 3.
Shout out to Yanolere.
Ufuna ukufela la noma ufuna ukufela le. Mfethu, umuntu nomuntu akacule ingoma yakhe ayithanda.
Okay.
Ebathi cela mani mbona nitedela amadola niphuthumele ngakhona anizomthola sekhona bathi umntana kabolimeke bathi hamba nalile moneki akhululeka wena ungastressi bathi uzomthola sekhona ya sure.
Hey.
Yo, what's good? It's your girl, Ayana V Masango, aka Magalo Kaziruan Sumanyana Amans Girl, and you tuned into Yana Lyrics. Today is an exclusive listening session, guys. As you guys know, I'm not alone, never alone. I'm a piano powerhouse. Who am I here with today?
Mr. Nashings, ikurel kuduza abanye niphethimente lesinda abaphathi. Qashuka wena.
And
Give me a lemon.
hey, now, guys, please tell me, how did the feature with Amo Classic and Kapi come about?
The gents called us, They called us and said, yo, you guys are dope now. Right now we are moving, so we have to do something. Now.
Nah.
It's time. It was so we have to give them something.
Okay. And tell me, how was it in the studio? Like, how were the vibes when you guys were collaborating and making music?
Ama-vibes bewagrand nje bewamnandi because bekuphekwa ukabona wenza umculo ngapha kuyaphekwa so uyakhuthala ukuthi at least ngiyapheka ngapha ngiyasutha but beside abafethu banoma grand. Shout out to Amo Classic and Kapi. Shout out to Inja yami uMalemon for umoya wabo ukuthi sihlanganise le EP and ize yaphuma. Yeah.
Now, the creative process behind this EP, what was it? What did you guys go through?
As Moses studio, I always tell the gents, Moses studio, whatever you do, bambanan, do the same thing. Like Ibani, Nonkela, Nenzindewa. Yeah, it's more like a collab than a competition. That's why it's Squazi keeping them nandigan.
I like that. And then now, from the EP, which is your favorite track?
Let me answer.
Okay.
Case closed.
Okay, hit that deal. I want to hear you sing.
Mfethu, umuntu nomuntu akacule ingoma yakhe ayithanda.
Okay.
Ebathi cela mani mbona nitedela amadola niphuthumele ngakhona anizomthola sekhona bathi umntana kabolimeke bathi hamba nalile moneki akhululeka wena ungastressi bathi uzomthola sekhona ya sure.
I think it's going to be my new favorite. Now from you, Malemoni.
I'm not ngithanda zonke mntana sekhaya. Zonke zingithini. Like zonke zangithini. At first it was a chip.